Hello guys, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to learn how to identify the terminals on a neon sign transformer. Now this applies to a lot of other transformers too. You'll see similar terminals on everything from potential transformers to all the way up to big pole mount distribution transformers, stuff like that. They're all surprisingly similar. It's a metal box with porcelain insulators. So let's take a look and see what we get, because there is one big giant oddity to a neon sign transformer, and it's an important one to know. As we look at our transformer, you'll notice that there's terminals on both ends. Not all neon sign transformers have their terminals arranged like this. They come in a million different flavors, and especially as you get down to the lower voltages, the terminals will be in different spots. Frequently they're all on top or all on one end, or high voltage terminals might come just as cables coming out from inside. I've seen them with just screw terminals deep down inside where you have to take a cover off to get to them, stuff like that. But most of the time, your terminals on a neon sign transformer are going to be arranged like and look like what I have here for the bigger, higher voltage, higher power NSTs, where you get up into like 12,000 volts and 15,000 volts. Most of the ones made by France look like this, but you will see some differences. Regardless of how they're arranged and how they appear, you will have all of these terminals on your neon sign transformer. So you just may have to do a little creative figuring out to get there. At first blush, the terminals come in three types. We've got the big insulated terminals out here. These are our high voltage ones. We've got the small insulated terminals over here. And then we've got, it's hidden, I'll show you in a second. We've got a ground terminal that's uninsulated. So let's start right on end. All right, looking at this end of the transformer, this gives us the full complement of terminals. There's only one other terminal on the entire box, and that's on the other end, and it looks just exactly the same as this. So here's our terminals. First off, the most important terminal on your entire transformer is this one right down here. This is the ground terminal. This terminal is connected to case ground, and it's connected internally on the transformer to the center of the core. The ground terminal provides a ground reference for everything happening in here, and we're going to get into how to connect it in a later video. But right now what you need to know is this is the ground terminal, and it connects to the metal case and to the metal core inside the transformer. This terminal here is actually two. This is your primary connection to the transformer. This is where you put your input power. For this particular transformer, it's 120 volts. Polarity does not matter, it doesn't care. Polarity can matter in some specific situations if you're phasing multiple transformers together, and we'll get into that. But right now what you need to know, that's your low voltage primary connection. This is set in porcelain and insulated from the case by the soft cork, in this case, gasket. The last terminal to know, and these are the big dogs, is your high voltage terminal here. This, the big ones with the big insulators, is your high voltage secondary output terminals. These are the ones that if you touch, you die. That's really the important thing to know. Touch it, you die. On this particular transformer, this is a 12,000 volt neon sign transformer, so this is putting out 6,000 volts at any given moment relative to ground. It's putting out 12,000 volts relative to the other terminal. So it's serious business. You want to be careful with it. And this also has the cork gasket down below. They don't all have cork gaskets, some have rubber, and the ceramic insulator up on top. And that is the basics of everything you need to know to be able to identify the terminals on your neon sign transformer. You've got ground, low voltage primary, and high voltage secondary. You guys have fun. I'm Chris Bowden, and as always, we'll see you next time.